Alright, welcome back to another repair video, and today we are dealing with this 2017 Chevy Silverado, a V6. And the complaint is that, as you can probably hear, the fan stays at full blast even when the vehicle is shut off. And it also, the AC doesn't work, and the temperature sensor or the temperature gauge is inoperative as well. So I've already done a pre-scan in it. This is gonna be all related to the same problem. If you've seen this many times before, you probably already know what it is. It's very common in these GMs, and it's gonna be the thermostat. Okay, once you get a P0128, which is a engine coolant temperature below thermostat regulating temperature, once the PCM detects that issue, it will kill the compressor. It puts the fan at full blast even with the engine off, up until, you know, a couple minutes or so after you shut it off, and it doesn't let the temperature gauge work. So ignore these other problems here, the POs, the P0011 and 16. That's already been there for a while. The client is not, you know, interested in any of that. He just wants to fix this problem because it kills the AC, and nobody wants to be without AC. So the thermostat fails to make a proper seal, so it takes the engine longer to heat up, and as you can hear, it's very loud actually. So it's at full blast right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove that thermostat, and I want to see if I can try to give you guys a visual of the actual problem so you can see what I'm talking about. So let me turn this off, let's let that shut off and whatnot, and as soon as I got the thermostat in my hand, I will go ahead and show you guys what the problem is. So stay tuned. Okay, so we are back with the test that I want to show you. I got the old unit here, and I got the new OEM right out of the box here on this hand. And before I go any further, I want to go ahead and ask that you please take a moment to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you can get other notifications on future videos, and also drop a like. It's going to help out the channel, and I want to start off the year on a good note, so I'm trying to grow the channel for 2026 as much as possible. So if you guys can help me out with that, I will be very much appreciative. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the water. Now I'm going to put the old one in here, and as you can see, it just pours right on out. Okay, it does not hold water. That's the problem right there. This is the money shot right here. See that? That's why this fails. It fails in the stuck open position. And the new one holds water, as you can see here. Doesn't go nowhere. That's how a new properly operating thermostat should be. So we're gonna pop this bad boy in there, and that should be a fix for this problem. So again, if you have that issue where, you know, your car is pretty much going crazy, a GM, look into this, especially if you have that where you're gonna have that P0128 code. So let me go ahead and install this, and we'll fire it up. So stay tuned. All right, so we are back. We already put the thermostat back in there. We topped it off, and now we're gonna fire it up and clear the code so you guys can see the finished product here. We're gonna go ahead and fire this up. Okay, and we're gonna go here. As you guys can see, full blast. Key on, engine off. I shut it off. We're gonna go ahead and erase codes, and there. Let's go ahead and do it again. No fault detected. As you can see, the fan already shut off, so we're gonna start this up. Now I gotta just make sure we burp the system and all that. Now the engine is still cold, so this is still at 160. We're gonna give it a few minutes. You can already tell the difference. Okay, I top this off. I have to do something here with this headlight, so we got the new thermostat in there. Okay, so far so good. Now we're probably gonna get a check engine light again because of that P0011 and 16 code. So that's not gonna be surprising. The needle's already going up, so you guys can see there. You guys can see is already moving. So the final test would be, let's see if the AC is working. Okay, I heard the clutch engage. Okay, yeah, I figured it's cooling a little bit. It might be low on refrigerant. This particular customer beats these truck, to the ground. So I see the compressor clutch is moving. Yeah, it's definitely working. And this uses the expensive refrigerant, so there you have it. This is the fix right here, a new thermostat, and this shouldn't give no more issues with that P0128 code anymore. So alrighty, see, we can see the gauge is already going up. AC is not that cold, it's not that great. I think it's low on refrigerant. Wouldn't surprise me, but the compressor is working, so it is working. So I hope this helped out you guys, and again, we'll go ahead and mention that if you haven't already done so, please go ahead and drop a comment and like, subscribe, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Ciao for now.